Here's a simple answer to a simple question. A lot of people want to know what is the decompression valve for on hard rifle cases such as the Cedar Mill Fine Firearms iron clasp case. As you can see here, we have the latches undone, and when we try and open the case, it doesn't want to open. What's actually happening is there is higher pressure, air pressure outside the case and inside the case due to being on an airplane. So there's a vacuum in there preventing the case from opening. Now, if you listen very carefully, this should hiss when we turn it. Here we go. Not sure if you were able to hear that faint hiss, but that by opening that valve, that decompression valve, you just equalize the pressure inside the case to the outside of the case. So now, when we go to open the case, it lifts right up, and that's what a decompression valve does on a waterproof, hard-sided case such as ours.